Hey guys, welcome back to Satisfactory. So you remember where we stopped off last time, correct? We had to make the chainsaw. So I've done so much of work. Okay, right now everything is in a standstill because my power has just yeah died. Since there is no resource I can use for power, but I think I can do the upgrade. If you can see, I done two things. I've added two mines. One mine which makes it into iron ingots. It's an iron mine, iron ingots. Then from iron ingots, it becomes iron rods. From iron rods, it goes into the storage bin. From the storage bin, it becomes screws. And the screws get taken from there all the way into. What's that noise? What is that? What is that? I see Shiny. I take Shiny. Let's get some leaves. At least then we can power it. Shiny. Shiny is mine. Blue power slug.
This
Falldom is mine also.
semi-slug seems to emit unfamiliar energy readings which could potentially be retrofitted into Fixit technology. A new research tree can now be accessed in the MAM.
And then after that also I've made one more mine which is you smelt it and then it goes into here, makes rods. The rods come out and then just iron rods come out and then it just goes into here. Not this one, sorry, this one. So let's see if we have enough for the upgrade because I need the chainsaw right now. Oh, it's a game in here. Let's do this. No, let's do this. No, no, no. I give up. Okay. There's so many things over here. It's even a toilet. None of these can be opened. Okay. Let's see if you have enough. Ah, lunch.
Milestone reached. Biofuel will ensure maximum efficiency of biomass burners. To aid in
Bye
biofuel
bye.
production, you are now capable of removing foliage that consists primarily of wood. Additionally, R&D inflated your pocket dimension.
Bye. I can see that. Let's chainsaw now. Chainsaw. What are the things I'm missing? Reinforced iron plates and let me guess rods. So 525. Okay, well, let's make 5 and 25. Dun, 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 dun. I think I have enough. I don't know. And reinforced plates. I also have to make 1, 2, 3, 4. Screws. Dun, dun, dun. I think basically everything needs screws. I need 100. How many more? 100 more. Nice. Other are nice. Let's go 100. Mhm. Cha-chon, cha-chon, ton, 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 ton. I don't know what's the use of this. I just made it for fun. Okay. I think that's more than enough. Ah, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Welcome back. Welcome back, brother. So satisfying when it tries to rearrange itself to center it. Perfect one.
Milestone exchange concluded. Fix-it freighter re-entry complete.
Yay, thank you. Imagine I still can't use this after I make it. Body now. What do you use as fuel? You fuel is biofuel. How do I make biofuel? Please don't tell me it's one of these. I think I can myself can make biofuel, correct? Because if it's an option here, biofuel, that can make sense. Oh no, that sounds correct. Oh, this is. Oh my god, my power problems gone. Right. That's perfect, man. This is like a gift sent by God himself. Oh my god, but then. Really. It's very understanding. Very difficult to actually use it. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, let's go. Okay. That's what I have. I don't know why I like the sound of that. I was going to cut my own pole, but power pole. Freeze. I love trees. It's just remember the reason why I have nothing else to do. I hope I don't run out of biofuel, okay? Did two at the same time. I thank the developers for making the sort button. It's much easier now to actually use the sort button. English not English, I swear. I think that's the last one, correct? Yeah. The last tree I can cut down. Oh my god. Can I cut down one more tree? I can. And now it's dead. Let's go. Now collect the leaves to make more biofuel. To make biomass, then biofuel. This is a hefty project. Shit. So let's see. Oh my god. How much of that? We have 500. Oh my god, we have enough to run this entire place. I don't understand how this is only running, okay? I'm just refilling all of this. I've made extra power points also. My base is reactivated. Let's go. Now please don't tell me I have to make one more. This is from wood, this is from leaves. Oh. Biofuel makes 4. So I think this is a good trade for each make 4. There's nothing which takes biofuel, correct? Bio burner. I'm scrolling but nothing. Quick search N. That's a quick search, so no. I have to make it by myself. Now let's put this slug in here. Shot. I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. I'm just rearranging my entire base, making everything like it's supposed to be. Why this not running? No one knows. Because the limestone hasn't reached there yet. I swear, every time I hear that, I always think there's a power outbreak or something. I don't know why. Like, we've made the chainsaw. Let's see what all we can make now. Buildings grown 8. Let's conveyor, merger, ma'am. Assembler, which takes 2. Okay, this can be used for making reinforced plates. Jump pad, resource, awesome sim, awesome shop. I don't know what that is. And convey logistics conveyor belt to Mark 2. Okay, so let's start with the most important one. This. Let's get all the things we need. Starting with this, then going with this, and then ending off with the rods. But 150, I don't think so. I have 150 of them. No, I don't think so. I have enough 150. I have close, but I don't know. I have 130. No. Start it. Just send that in there. Okay, bye bye. I think we can make this operate right now. Done.
Milestone reached. Conveyor belts can now merge, split, and lift to increase the complexity
Bye-bye.
and efficiency of your factory.
Bye bye.
We encourage you to consider more verticality when it comes to factory logistics to streamline short-range transportation. The productivity display will help you measure and improve the productivity of individual buildings to aid with optimization.
Forgot about the light. No, we need not iron ore. No, wait. What's this gonna run? Human animal creature. Human. Okay, so we have to find another thing we can do also. Because we have the new these conveyors and also mergers, stuff like this. Cable only takes wire, spools that reinforced plate take both wires and rods. Till now it's only reinforced plates I have to worry about. Everything else I can think there's nothing else. I don't think so we'll have to worry about power anymore. We have enough chainsaw fuel to run with. Hard will return in 2 minutes. It says in the top right hand corner. Hard will return in 2 minutes. Right here. My thumb is feeling tired. Hmm. 92, 96, and 100. We have 100. No, it takes time to return. And then if you want to activate, which one should you go for next? I think it'd be better if we take like assembly or something, or like this. This is a good thing, but then this you can't do right now because we need a rotor. Yes. Ah, you've got to be kidding me. I have to make those cables. Hello, welcome back. No. Do I have 500? No, I have plus 4. Do I have some of you? So, that is going fast enough. So, thing that's taking the most space, no, the most time, is this. I don't know why. 700% for him. So I don't know why it's taking this long. Input is that, output is this. But then, why is there not enough output or something? Or like, is there something else wrong? Because I'm physically not able to understand why. I think I might have to go for more another restock and fuel. And maybe not, I don't know. This one doesn't even have fuel. How will it help? Are you even trying to do anything? I should just see. I can tell it's some things are going faster, but then it's still going slow. Can't do anything now. Actually, you're not needed. Scratch that. Oh god, you are needed. Because this one ran out of. Okay. Rusty Hold chainsaw. You gotta go get some more plants. That's this one. Oh my god. I swear. Everything feels much bigger than it's supposed to be. I don't know why. Let's go. Oh my god, we've reached close. Okay. My god. Thank you. My god. My god. Oh my. How did I even. You know what? Don't ask questions. If you ask questions, it just make no sense. Making me more and more confused. Aha. 300 needs I have. And I cut down you. Even has an area of effect. Yeah, very much has an area effect. So then if I what are you? What are you? Your watch. I'm keeping this equipped in case like there's any bad guys over here or stuff. You know what I mean. I was thinking to attack you. My god. Found a slug. Thank you. The way it sounds so nice until you just you get not think it has any effect. So if I close to this, will it cut down any other trees? Yeah, I did. Like here. Cut down that one also. But the area effect only goes for a certain time, like certain distance. After that, I don't think so it can work because it's too far. Just enjoying over here, using the chainsaw. And the aerial effect, it makes it much more easier to cut some things. Okay, nice, thank you. Thank you for telling me. So my entire base is offline right now. Let's go fix that. Entire base? I think my entire base. Yeah, it's entire base. It fused. Blue fuse. Let's run down this. This thing makes traveling much more easier. Because it's also pushing you, and when you jump off it, it makes you go much further than you're supposed to go. Be able to go. Unless I'm going in the opposite direction. Oh my god, my throat is blocked. Or something. Oh my god, so much of leaves and everything. You also need something. Yeah, I put that. I don't know what you're running on, but yeah. Everything runs on wood only. Nothing more than wood. It's one of the most easiest things to get because after I got the chainsaw, it's very easy to get. I think I'm covering too much of that. Oh yeah, what should I get next? The upgrade. Was it this one or was it like this one or I need a space elevator for all of this. This is like 100, 150. But here you have 200, 119 and everything. 150, this is done. The motorized analyzing machine. So I think let's do this one. Let's put all everything we have sorted. Dun, 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 dun. Now it's crafting time. Just wait. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Because it really helps us out. By us, I mean me, okay? Thank you. Now, everything new. I just hit myself against that and I still walked into it. Done. What type of climbing is that? Monkey climbing. Let's go. Let's see what happens if I jump onto this. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's fun. I have 200. I have 200. Let's go. So only this one is remaining. I really need to know how many more I need. About 94. So 94. I need another remaining. I can keep that. This is actually a very fun game. And 5. Everything is back. And by the time we reach that last box, we return the fire. We saw that, we saw this. And we can take this out. Iron body, shot it. Let's go back. Let's put the snail in the box. Sort it. Put this in here. And launch the guy.
Milestone
Let's see
reached.
if I can
More
just...
complex assembly of parts can now be automated. Project assembly parts can now be constructed and sent up via the space elevator. Note: project parts are too complex to produce by hand.
Oh my god, I just fell through something. Disgusting? No. Assembly, yay! Oh my god, this takes rotors to make. How do you make the rotors? So it's just a iron rod and my disappointment in you is immeasurable right now. Iron rods and screws. Okay, Leo. So, and 8 reinforced plates. And then I still need, oh my god, this is going to be a huge build. It will be worth it to make reinforced plates. Wait, is there any more iron ore? Oh yes. There is one not very far. I think it's on top of this. Let's go see. Okay. If parkour skills are good, it will go make a lot of pop. So I'm not good at parkour. I actually managed to make it up here. And then fall down, all the way down. Okay, where am I supposed to go from here? Up there? And I can't do that from this, right? I heard some noise. Noise sharing is not good. I have to be careful now. Okay, I can hear that noise continuously and I'm scared of going up there because I died over here once. But my ears are overheating. I'm burning alive. So where's the iron? That thing is this way, correct? My god. Stay down also. Is this copper? This is iron ore. That's iron. I found something else here. It's a power snail. It's a blue one. Hello. Thank you. I swear, how many? I'm not dealing with that in here. Let's go. Another guy has been collected. There's no iron on top of this mountain. Anywhere close here, is there any iron? Iron? Let's see. Mark all the places where there's iron. So there is no iron over here. On this side there's no iron. Ah, that's going to be a long build. I don't even have cement on me right now. Nice, brother, nice. It's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a painful one. Because my god, it's so laggy. Okay, I want to see something. Let's get fall damage. Yes. But I won't die from the fall damage. Not completely at least. Okay. Give me all the cement. Ah, you've got to be kidding me, right? Give me the plates also. Actually, I don't think so. I'll need the cement. Maybe, I don't know. I'll just take it in case I do need it. Last but not least, the rods. They are very less. I don't enjoy it that much. Okay, so then so guys, will be all for today's video. I'll just select the next thing to start, and then we will just end off the episode. What is that? We'll end off the episode right now. So guys, that will be all for today's episode. Bye bye.